Welcome to Randy's Griddle. This is a channel it's all about good griddle cooking. Today what we have is the smash burger. Okay, this is a very delicious burger and we're going to cook it on the Blackstone. Okay, so while we got the griddle warming up, let's check out our ingredients, okay? Okay, so we got some hamburger, we got some Colby Jack cheese, of course some butter, and we have some onions and rolls, and of course salt and pepper and oil and stuff that we need. Okay, so let's start getting these onions on. We'll be back. These onions on. Our grill is about 315 degrees. Okay, so let's start getting these burgers down. Put a little bit of butter down for them. Okay, so we'll let them, let me get a little bit of butter for the onions too. That'll help them cook. And then we're going to put the smash burger, we'll leave them on there for a couple minutes, and then we're going to get ready to smash them. 'Kay, so let's put a piece of parchment paper over there and hold her down for about 10 seconds. There's the first one. Number 2. Again, 10 seconds. Ten seconds. One more to go. Alright. Now we'll let them cook up for a little while. Check our onions, which are just about done, I would say. So I'm going to keep them all the way over here. Alright, let's get some butter down on the griddle. We start getting our buns toasted up. because these burgers do not take very long. Put our onions down here in the corner. Now if you see, there will be some holes in the burgers, and you'll see you're starting to cook up through there. That's just what we want. You start seeing it puddling up a little bit, that's good. Oh, look at that. What a beautiful crust. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Buns are starting to get toasted. Give them another couple minutes. Put our cutting board up there so we can start assembling. Oops. Just leave it there and leave it alone. Alright, let's check these buns out. Oh, look at that. Ooh, hot. Perfect. Alright, so I got these two burners shut off. Let these finish up a little bit. Then we're going to put some cheese on them. And we're going to call this good. Alright. They'll be done here in a couple minutes. Okay, I think they're looking like they're done. So let's get some cheese on them. This is a nice Colby Jack cheese. Let's see, put that one on there. And that one on there. Put the dome on there, get that cheese nice and melted. Put a little steam under it. Well, it usually takes a couple. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay, look at that. There's one there. One there. And my wife only wanted a single. And one on there. Okay. Oh, I forgot the most important thing. A little bit of onions on there. A little bit of onion. And a little bit of onion. Okay. Let's check this bad boy out. Look at that. You see that? Alright. Alright, let's check this thing out. That is one fantastic smash burger. Alright. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming by. We'll see you next time.